Hey there, welders and DIY enthusiasts! If you're in the market for a reliable inverter welder but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 inverter welders, ranking them from good to the absolute best. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a professional fabricator, we've got you covered. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in at number 5 is the Amico Electric. This welder earns points for its portability and simplicity, but it's best suited for light-duty tasks. It's compact and lightweight, tipping the scales at just 17 pounds, making it perfect for on-the-go jobs or small workspaces. Thanks to its dual voltage capability, you can plug it into almost any power source, and the advanced IGBT inverter technology ensures smooth, stable arcs. Plus, it's compatible with a range of electrodes, so you'll have some flexibility to experiment. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This machine is limited in versatility, especially when compared to other welders on this list. Its TIG functionality is very basic and doesn't hold up for more demanding projects. If you're a beginner looking for something affordable and easy to use, the Amico is a great choice. It's reliable for stick welding, but if you need more advanced features, you'll want to keep watching. At number 4, we have the Forney Easy Weld. As the name suggests, it's an entry-level multi-process welder offering MIG, TIG, and stick welding options. For a welder in its price range, the Forney packs a lot of punch. It's lightweight, portable, and operates on a standard 120-volt outlet, making it perfect for home use. The infinite voltage and wire feed speed controls are a nice touch, giving you more precision when dialing in your settings. It's great for beginners who want to try out different welding processes without breaking the bank. The downside? While it can technically handle TIG, the torch isn't included, and you don't get advanced TIG features like pulse control. This makes it less ideal for anyone focusing on TIG welding. It also maxes out at a 1/4 inch material thickness, so heavy-duty projects are out of the question. If you're a hobbyist or beginner looking for versatility without a hefty price tag, this could be the welder for you. But if you're planning on serious TIG or industrial projects, there are better options further up the list. Grabbing the number 3 spot is the Weldpro, a versatile TIG and stick welder that comes with a highly maneuverable torch. This machine is a dream for TIG enthusiasts. It offers AC/DC welding capabilities, which means it can handle aluminum, and it has pulse features for added control on thinner materials. The included torch is lightweight and flexible, making it easier to reach tight spots. Despite its advanced features, it's compact and weighs only 31.3 pounds, so you can take it anywhere. That said, the Weldpro has a few limitations. There's no option for a water-cooled torch, and some users find the lack of a detailed settings chart in the manual frustrating. It's also slightly more specialized than some of the other multi-process welders on the list. This one's for the dedicated TIG welder who want advanced features without a massive price tag. If TIG is your focus, you'll love the control and flexibility it offers. Coming in at number 2 is the Everlast PowerTIG, a heavy-duty machine that's built for precision and performance. This welder shines in TIG welding, particularly for aluminum and other tricky materials, thanks to its adjustable AC frequency and balance controls. Whether you're working on thin sheet metal or thicker projects, the PowerTIG delivers consistent results. Dual voltage capability adds flexibility, and it's rugged enough to work on generators. The high-frequency start and intuitive analog interface make it user-friendly for both professionals and advanced hobbyists. However, at 60 pounds, it's not exactly portable. And while Everlast has a strong reputation, its limited service network might be a concern for some users. If you're serious about TIG welding, especially for aluminum or other precise tasks, this is an excellent investment. It's reliable, versatile, and packed with professional-grade features that make it a top contender. Taking the top spot is the Miller Multimatic 215, a powerhouse multi-process welder that's perfect for almost any job. This machine does it all: MIG, flux cord, TIG, and stick, making it the most versatile option on this list. Miller's signature AutoSet Elite feature makes it incredibly user-friendly by automatically adjusting settings for different materials and thickness. The bright color LCD interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, so you can get started quickly even if you're a beginner. Despite its advanced features, it's relatively lightweight at just 38 pounds, so portability isn't an issue. Its only drawback? It doesn't support AC/TIG welding, so it's not ideal for aluminum projects. Additionally, you'll need to purchase TIG accessories separately, which could bump up the price. The Multimatic 215 is perfect for professionals who need a reliable multi-process welder that can handle a variety of tasks. It's also a fantastic choice for ambitious hobbyists looking to invest in a high-quality machine. And there you have it, the top 5 inverter welders ranked from solid contenders to the ultimate winner. Be sure to check the links in the description for the best deals on these welders and let us know in the comments which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and welding tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.